So this is the demo video for the marketing team. First, you need to read and memorize the key points mentioned in the marketing document. It will be handed over to you. After that, you will be taken to the field where you have to onboard the drivers. So you have to go and speak to them and convince them to install our app, Kiku driver app. So when they are ready, you need to install the app and then follow the instruction as it will be mentioned in this video. After installing, you open the app. Next you have to ask the driver his mobile number and enter it here. And then you have to press send OTP. Then a OTP will be sent to the driver's mobile. You enter that OTP. Next, you will be asked to register a driver. You ask the driver name and ask his email where we can send the invoice when he will be recharging the plan. If it doesn't have any email address, then you can enter any dummy email address like s at the rate or r at the rate something gmail.com. Okay, you have to enter in this format only, at the rate gmail.com or at the rate yahoo.com. So here I am going to enter a dummy email address, r at the rate gmail.com. Then you accept the terms and condition and press register. Then you have to give some accesses. For this, it will ask the device location access and you have to press file using the app, the topmost option. And then it will ask permission to allow for calling. You have to press allow. Next, you ask which language the driver is comfortable in. You mostly in Karnataka, they will be speaking Kannada, and whichever language is comfortable, you select that language. Here I am selecting English, and then you need to enter his details. First, you enter the vehicle number. Okay, so make sure here the letters which I am using is in caps. Don't make it small letters, and don't give spaces when you are writing the vehicle number. Like this, you don't have to give any spaces. Never give any spaces, and make sure it is in the caps. Anyhow, the app will take in the caps only, so don't make it small. And then you have to take the photo of the RC. Clearly take the front photo of the RC, or you can take the photo of backside of the car where the vehicle number is visible. So you have to use the camera for taking the picture. Okay, after uploading the pic, then next you have to select the vehicle category. Here in Kiku, we are providing only 4 types of services, that is auto, hatchback, sedan and family car. You have to select in which category the vehicle will come. Hatchback is basically the small cars which doesn't have extended luggage space or boot space. So for example, i10, Alto, small cars, these cars will come under hatchback category. Auto, you guys know it, and sedan, it is having an extended boot space like Swift Desire. It's a small car, but it will have an extended, like where you can keep the luggage, so that extension will be there. So it comes under the category of sedan. And family car are big cars like Ertiga, Innova. So those cars come under the category of family cars. So you have to select here. In this case, since we are doing for Swift Desire, so you have to select sedan category. As you can see in the image, this is having extension in the backwards for luggage. So it comes under sedan category. And then carefully enter the vehicle model name. So here the vehicle model name is Swift Desire. Remember, you don't make any spelling mistake. Suppose if someone may enter like Desire, this is wrong. So check on the Google, or also you can check in the back of the car or RC what the spelling is mentioned. So enter the spelling name correctly and then proceed by button get verified. After you press that, it will go to the backend team. They'll verify from their end. So you have to wait around just 3-4 minutes. If it doesn't get verified, then you can inform to your reporting manager and through WhatsApp message, and they will get it verified. So when the backend team verifies it, the next screen you will get is a demo screen. This you can exit the demo in the right side bottom. You click that button and it will exit the demo. You can ask the driver can go through it from the app later in whichever language he is comfortable in. So exit the demo, and then it will ask permission to appear on the top. Here you have to search Kiku driver app. So here this Kiku driver app, you have to switch on here, give the permission. So turn it on. Okay, now after you turn on the switch, then go back to the app. Here you have to on the working switch. So switch on. So when the working switch is on, that means all the accesses are given. You tell the driver that you have to keep the switch on to get the request. That is very much required. If they don't want the request, then they can turn off the switch. And here you can get the details where you can basically change the language, maybe English, Hindi, or whatever language you want to select. He can select from here. And also if you want to see the demo, he can select from here and go through the demo how to use the application. So just make sure that until this working switch is on, you do all the steps, and when the working switch is on, that means this driver is onboarded. So this is the complete process for onboarding the driver.